Hello, I'm here today to give a review on the Leatherman Wingman multi-tool. This is a very well manufactured tool. I greatly enjoy using them, and it just provides a great deal of all-round functions. First off, it's made out of a stainless steel construction with the clip on the back. This clip can be removed if desired to. Simply having to use a sour point bit. Secondary. To open this, you simply just open up to get to the plier. These are spring loaded, which is very handy. Right here is the wire cutters, and these are very well machined steel teeth. So next is the main knife on this unit, which is right here. So I wish that it was just a straight blade and didn't have the serrated part, but it is what it is. This is a very functional knife. I use it very frequently. As you can see, it's approximately, the actual blade part is 1.5 inches. The secondary part is probably right around 1 inch, bringing it to a total of about 2.5 inches. And as well as 6 centimeters. So, and then to close it, you simply have right here, you just press on that, and that will shut it. Next is a pair of scissors. In this state, these are not spring loaded. However, I don't know if you can see, but right there, there's a small pin. You just simply go like that. Engages them to become spring loaded. These are really functional. I use these quite frequently as well. So I'm really glad it comes with the scissors. And to close them, you just simply press down on that, and that will shut them. Next is an assortment of secondary tools. First off, this is a bottle opener / can opener. I don't really like it for opening up like beer bottles. It has a tendency to puncture the cap of the beer bottle. I've never tried to open up any cans, like fruit cocktail or what have you. This here is a file, given a small ruler, inches on the top, metric below. And then here is the file part. I've never used a file part on this. And then it has a third tool, which I'm trying to get out. This is a box opener right here, and that is actually the only part that's sharp. The rest of it is all dull. You won't cut yourself by putting your finger right there, as you can see. I use this all the time. This is actually probably one of the best features they ever did. So you can leave this open in your pocket, and it won't cut you. So, I just leave it like that a lot of times in my pocket. Just like that, and it won't cut you. I mean, you can just go down like that in a box, and it'll open it. So, and next on the other side is this is a flathead screwdriver, and you can see it's marked there. And then here's the Phillips. I've never used any of these. I'm kind of questioning the Phillips part, since it's more flat and round, how well it'll function. I think it would be a lot better design if it was more of a rounder head instead of flat. So, and as you can see, these are only probably right around a 1/4 inch. So, But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. From what I understand, these are still manufactured in the United States. They are manufactured in Oregon, which is on the west coast of the United States. Um, so thank you for watching and have a good day.